Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Asset Effect right here. So guys, on this video I'm going to be showing you guys three backtesting software, like three best backtesting software that has a replay tool in it, and it's actually free. So the first one is FX Replay. FX Replay is a very nice trading software you can use. We have Go Chatting. It's also a very nice software. Then the last one is casa trade. I will trade casa. So without further ado guys, I would love to dive into it, but before that I will not be showing you guys all the software on this video because I want this video to be as short as possible. So I'm going to be saving the best for last, which is FS Replay. But on this video I'm only going to do trade casa. So, and I'll make another video like a series, the first, the second, and the third one. So guys, stay tuned, and without further ado, let's dive into it.
So right here guys, as you can see my screen right here, when you head over to the Trade Casa website, as you can see it here, beta.tradecasa.com, then you create you log in with your email address, and here you can see this how the dashboard look like. This how it look like, where you can be getting your win rate, your your best trades and all of that. This is where you're going to be seeing it here. But one of the red flags on this one of the spoiler on this trade casa is that when you are in middle of a back test, there's this ad. Normally ad comes on all of them, but when you're on trader casa, there's an ad that usually come up, and whenever the ad come, like, it's going to pause whatever you are doing for a while, like for some seconds. But on other
Trading software, you get to continue doing what you're doing. That's one of the spoiler on this one. So once you're on the dashboard right here, you go to the back test, because that's where. So here you are going to create a session. You're going to create a session, like it's name the session, then choose a pairs that you're going to be trading, that you're going to be backtesting on. So once you choose it, you can choose more than one pair. I just choose this one here. Then you choose a balance that you want to use for the backtest. Then you choose a date, if it's a year, 2 years, or 3 years, or even some months. So you can just choose when you're done creating the your session here, you just go on onto this play button, tap on it, and it's going to load the interface. So let's wait for it. So right here guys, as you can see, the interface looks friendly, and if you look right here, you're going to see that they're actually using data from TradingView. They're using data from TradingView, and that's a very nice one. Yeah, so you won't be saying there's some complexity that you don't understand this one. So as you can see, this is the date I choose from. So we'll just be backtesting from here. So first off, you can see the pair you are trading with. You can see all these your tools here. You can switch time frames here. You can switch time frame here, like add stars to them so they can be permanently here. So that's it guys. Let's push this up. Then here you can see the line chart and the candlestick chart indicators to open a position. Remember, you are going to before, when creating a session, you are going to choose how much, the amount you are willing to use for the backtest. So this is a quick place to place a quick trade, and this is the rewind tool, which is why I love this backtesting software, because unlike trading view you have to pay, but right here you get it all for free. You can take a screenshot. This is just like normal. This is how your regular trading view look like, your regular what am I saying, sir?
TradingView. Yes, so this if you want to exit the session. So moving on to this place, you can drag this, and this is the rewinding tool. This is playback tool, like when you want to play
historical data. You can choose the candle, if it should be playing on 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes, or you can even choose 30 minutes. So it's going to be the candle that's going to be showing up will be 30 minutes candle to play in 30 minutes. You want it how many, like how fast you want the candle to be showing up. I'll just put that at 1.5. Then this is the play, and this is the like skip, to skip the candles to the next candle to the next candle, yeah, and so on and so forth. Then you can just move this to whatever side of the screen you wish or you like it to be. Just let's leave this here. Then this one, your favorited, if there's a word like that, favorited to or favorite to, this is here. So this is how the replay tool works. You just click the play icon, and as you can see, the candle is moving. Aha, this is a spoiler I was talking about. You see, I cannot tap any other thing. I cannot like continue my work here now. I will just have to wait for this timer to get over and done before I can continue. But if it's on other software that I'm still going to show you guys, at least there's ads come by this corner, like it comes in the corner, and while your ad is showing, you can continue doing what you're doing. So we have waited for this ad to come up, then we'll continue the backtesting. Head over here to play, and you can continue your backtesting here. So guys, for the fact that I don't want this video to be long, you can just come here, do your analysis, switch to the me. I trade supply support and resistance. That's my strategy. You can just come here. I'm just doing a rough stuff here, so because I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll just do it quick. Do your analysis. What am I doing? What am I doing? Why is this stuff acting funny? What is this now? What is this? Just do your oh, let me just do it rough. So by the time you're done with your analysis, this basic supply and demand. This supply and demand, as you guys know, or maybe you don't know, this is the trade strategy I trade with. So switch back to the candlestick. So as you can see here, then I normally use this short tool just because I'm backtesting, of course. So, or you can do this quick position where you can just take a trade directly from here now, then later on you set the SL and take profit parameters, or you can open a proper position here where you can put the price you are willing, like to set an order, is it market or the limit order, just market orders. You set all the stuff here, the risk percent. If it's 1%, as I'm using $200, then I'll be risking 1% of that $200 here on this. Then the risk amount in dollar and this percent. So guys, you put on the take profit and all this stuff here, put them here, and that's done. So like I said, I like using this stuff here. So it's just to wait. So just wait for price to get to either a support or a resistance. Either a support or a resistance. Break it, then continue its move. As you can see here, this is a support which may lead it to reject. As you can see, it has been reacting off supply and demand and support and resistance. So that's just basically how we do. I can just decide to come and take a trade from here. What is this? Basically decide to come and take a trade from here. I'm just doing a rough analysis. Mind you, this is not how I trade in real. Listen, I don't want this video to be too long because I can see it's taking up to 8 to 10 minutes already. So this is just basically how you use this software to backtest. And mind you, it's gonna be what is that? It's gonna be like journaling your trade, like the win rate and all that here. It's going to be done jointly. Look at your P&L, look at your trading balance. So it's gonna be it's going to be noting down all that for you. So that will be all for this. That will be all for this. Yeah, this is another spoiler. So guys, take note, this is just one out of the three software which I'm going to be showing you guys. So watch out for my next video. I'm going to be making a video about the second one, which is go chatting. You can just go through it, go through the interface, then you drop a question on this, and so when I'm going to make a video about it, I'm going to be touching and answering most of the questions that have come up. So 30 seconds is up now before we can now continue our trade. So that's a spoiler on this, which I don't honestly like here. So as you can see, the trade has tapped in and is moving. So that is that on this one. Please guys, I need you guys to subscribe, please, and please help me get to my target for this month, guys. Please subscribe, and subscribe, please. I need you guys to help me subscribe to this channel, so to help us grow as a family. Yeah, so guys, I will really need you to subscribe, turn on the post notification, and you can also send this to your trader friend who is trying to backtest, or who is trying to come up with an edge or a strategy in the market. These are very vital tools that you can use, that you can really use, and it's going to aid you um in the financial market. So without being said, that's really all you need to know about this. So if you have any question, you can just drop it in the comment section below, and I'll be there to give a response. So that's all for this video. I said FS right here. Peace.